Wow, wow, wow. Yo, take a look at this gorgeous girl and this gorgeous wig. This hair came pre-plucked, pre-bleached. I didn't really have to do too much. And all thanks to Alipearl Hair for sponsoring this video. The link to this video is going to be under my description box below. So yes, let's get into this video. Oh my god, I'm so excited as usual. Okay, y'all, let's get straight into the video. Hi my loves, welcome back to another video. My name is yomidun if you're new here, and welcome to my video. Straight out of the box, the wig came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, like I said. As you can see, the density is amazing. The lace is giving invisible already, even without installing it yet. How amazing. Invest in good wigs, y'all. How many times will I tell you to invest in good wigs? Just take a look at the lace, like it's pre-plucked to the core, and of course it came with some goodies, but this is not why we're here. Let's get straight into the video, and I hope you guys watch my video till end, and I hope, oh my god, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. So this is a 22 inches deep wave unit HD lace from Alipearl. So this is me just trying to check if it fits my head properly, but fortunately it was my size. So just take a look at me vibing on it because I'm in love with the hair even without installing it yet. Oh my god. So first thing first, make sure the wig is your size. It's perfectly your size so your hair can fit properly on your head. So I'm going in with my glue. Please make sure you use a very good glue because it helps a lot. And I did my first layer. I allowed to dry clear, and this is me just applying the second layer because obviously I want the install to last for a very long time. And please make sure you do not put too much glue on your head because little is everything. If you put too much, it's going to be hard for the glue to dry clear, and it's going to be hard for you to have a perfect install. After applying the glue, make sure you spread everything. Then I allowed it to dry clear, as you can see. Then I just placed the wig to where I want it to be, to where I applied the glue. Don't forget to press it, slick it down because we want to have a perfect install. This is me just putting the lace band on the hair so it can have a perfect melt. And yeah, y'all, I waited for 30 minutes before I removed the band because I wanted it to give it a good install. I wanted it to slick in properly. I wanted it to give no lace. Then I sectioned the hair into 3 parts. So it's going to be convenient for me to cut the lace properly. You have to be careful when you want to cut the lace so you don't overcut the lace. Yeah, so this is me just cutting it into 3 parts, and I make sure I cut it according to how I put the glue. Then yeah, it's time to do my edges. Yo, I really don't like fluffy and dramatic edges. I love it natural. So I just did a C-part, like a C-part. Then I brought out a few hair. I didn't really do too much because I don't like dramatic edges. So I cut it into small layers. Then I'm doing my edges, as you can see. Like, it's not really hard. I don't even do it too much. The hair came pre-plucked, pre-bleached. So what are you doing? You're just applying your glue and you're good to go. But I want to do some edges. I don't want to go natural today. So yeah. This is me just doing my edges, you guys. I'm in love with the hair. Like, I'm not even done already, and it's already giving a dogo vibe. You know what I'm saying? Oh my god, Alipearl, thank you for this hair because I know better thing. So yeah, I just did my edges on the second side, as you can see. Then I applied the spray to hold it down. And yeah, this is me just applying the mousse to define the curls. Oh my god, yo, just take a look at this hair. Oh, we are done. Yo, it's not that hard. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, or whatever they call it. But yo, just take a look at this hair. I didn't do anything. I just applied my glue and I did my edges, and I'm good to go for any event I'm going for, any activity I'm going for, yo. Yeah, like I said, the link to this gorgeous, amazing hair is under my description box below. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for your time. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and turn on post notification. Thank you so much for watching my video. And yeah, have a gorgeous day. All right, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.